Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video we'll be looking at what file extensions are. Are there any rules to how file extensions are being stored? Is there a guide on how to make use of file extension? These things will be covered in this video. Please, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can also you can decide to share it if you like. Okay, what exactly is a file extension? A file extension is a set of characters at the end of a file name, usually after a period. It might be, when I mean period, I mean full stop. I know some of us might have come across it, but we tend to not to know what file extensions are. I think some of us have come across the PNG, which is used for image files, and some of us might have come across the MP4, which are used for video files. I have the MP3, which is for audios. So it's not new to us, it's just that we tend to neglect it at times. So why is file extension important? And one of the reasons why file extension is important helps us to identify what category a file type falls into. Extension help you to know if a document is a video, image, or a program. Let's say, for example, you have for example, we have an image file. For you to know that this is an image, look at the extension. Most time we can we have a lot of software that can easily present it as an image file. Let's say you're working with is in form of a text and you don't know what category is on. So when you check the file extension, it's easier for you to find out that if it ends with the PNG, we know that this is an image file. If it ends with the JPEG, we know that this is an image file. So that's one of them why file extension is important. Another one is choose the right software. Certain program only work with specific file type. For example, now your VLC, which is popularly known for to view your videos. I don't know whether if it can view like picture, can view pictures. So we all know that it mainly is for videos. When you try viewing pictures with it, becomes a problem. It might not work properly. Even though it worked, might be having issues. So we help you when we know what type of file extension we're dealing with, then we can know the right software to use it on, and then we can run or open files correctly. Your computer uses the extension to decide how to handle that file. If your file is the APK and you stored it on your if your file is APK, you try to run it on your Windows, for example, you can see it's going to have a collision because Windows are not designed to run an APK. APK files are for apps, designed for Android apps. And then category file extension are being categorized into many sections. The first one we're going to look at is programming file, which some of us might have come encounter or heard about .py, which is the file extension for Python file. When you're writing a file, when you're writing a Python script, don't forget to end your file name with .py. This will tell the machine that okay, this is a Python file that I'm going to handle. So it helps the system to know what files is handling. Also know that of Java, which is for Java. Also know that of JavaScript, the HTML, also know the CSS too. I will have what is called executable file, which is the second category we are going to look at. Executable files, which can also be called the exe. Let's be the executable file for Windows. For Windows programs. Let's try to find let's show you example how to find whether what file extension and a software in your system has. First, how to do is just to right click on it. Okay, let me go to the file location first, and then this is the file down here. So right click on it again, and then go to the properties. You go to the properties, then click on the security. At the end, you can see at the end here, you can see this signifies that this is a Windows executable file. So also have the other ones like the .bat. Also have the other one that the SCH, which is the share file. Another category I need to look at is the document files, which consists of the TXT, which is a plain text file. So there's nothing special on this one. I know I've come across it many times. .st is a plain text file used for simple text without any formatting on it. Also know another one .pdf. Well, I know as most students use this PDF too. Most students have come across the PDF. Not only students, most companies use this PDF formatting to store their files too. Also the ELXSN, which is a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet used for data and calculation. Also, let me talk about the fourth one category, which is the image file. Image files are mainly used for pictures and for graphics. For example, the JPEG, common image format, and the JPG. It can also be called JPEG or JPG, so don't mistake both of them. Also, the .png, which is a high quality image format with transparent support. And also, before, like, if you want to check that, okay, do I have any image I can use for example? I think I have one as of now, but just know that it follows the same way. Just right click on it, go to the property, and then go to the security. You find what the file extension is. Also have the audio and video files, which I've talked a little bit on, which is the mp3, which is for audio file. For your audio files, I know if you have music on your Android or your iOS or your computer, when you right click on it or hold it and go to the app info, which is on your Android phone, you can see the file extension at the end. Most times it's been stored .mp3, and then for that of video, mainly mp4.mp4, which is for videos. Also other one, the WE with which is uncompressed audio format. The quality higher than that of mp3. Also .mkv video file, support high quality videos and subtitles. Also look at another of the category, which is the mobile game files. This one is for apps and game. Number one is can talk about the .apk Android package file used to install Android apps. Also have OBB, which is a vehicle binary block, stores additional data for Android apps and games. The IPA, which is iOS file, and also have another category, which is a compressed files. Or most of us have heard about the zip. Your files in zip file. This file format just comprises of many files inside. It just tend to zip it, just like putting many books inside a bag and then zip it. Now just once it's like that, the extension is called .zip. So when you want to use it, just unzip it. And you see a lot of other ones like .csv, .xml, .json, and a lot of them, which you can go around online to look at them, which I won't cover in this video, because I think there should be over 100 file formats, which I can't cover in this video. But these ones I talked about are one of the important ones that mainly use in everyday lives. I think with this I've been able to talk a little bit on what file extensions are. Here is a recap of what we talked in the video. First is file extension. What are file extensions? Like I said, file extension appears at the end of any file. It signifies what that file is, what that type of file is. And I may mention an example like image file. For example, your cat picture. It either is end with .png. At times it also end with .jpeg, .jp, and a lot of other ones. For that of video, mp4, and a lot of other, for music, mp3, a lot of other ways it can be stored. But the key thing you should know that file extensions signify what category of file belongs to, or what type of file that is, and it helps your machines. So when I mean machine, I mean your computer or your mobile phone. It helps you to know and how to handle that file. So I think this we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yeah, it doesn't cost, it won't charge you any money, and just to hit it. And also you can also hit the like button. You can also turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop new videos, you'll be the first to get to know it. So I think I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.